What is going on, guys? It's Flash here, coming at you with this GTA 5 gameplay. I'm coming at you with Pleato Bay right now. We found out we can get this bulldozer. I'm going to show you where this spawns. It actually spawns in this parking lot right here, which is the construction site. You can find the bulldozer there, and I think you can find it down here somewhere. But yeah, you go to Pleato Bay. If you have a Sand King, that's what we're using right now. It actually drops the whole truck to the ground. And right where I am right now, you can pick up little rocks. If you see what I'm doing right now, it's kind of hard. You have to get in the right position, and then you pick up. But I'm going to be showing you how to put it in your truck. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the hell just happened? The whole truck just did like a backflip. I am so confused on what the hell that did. It like lit up in flames too. That was really weird. Dude, the suspension's all fucked up. On my screen, it's all twisted right now. Damn, it like picks up the whole... Oh, it got it. I'm like humping my truck. I don't know how I did it last time. No, fuck. Wow, dude, I did that first try. Holy shit. Yes! Alright, one rock down. We're gonna have to get inside and we're gonna have to move it around. Putting this in there. We got it. Oh no! Yes! Yes! Good shit. Good shit. Holy. Look at that stance right there. Look at that. Look at this stance. Woo! Look at that stance. That's beautiful. Alright, we're gonna get up to the road and we're gonna drive it around. Look at this red neon. Yeah, I can barely drive this motherfucker. It looks like I'm straight up in the air. Just driving straight up in the air when I go in first person. Yeah, it's really far down. Wait until we get on the road, just hear all the scraping. Oh, what the fuck? The rocks just disappeared. That's depressing. Alright, well, I hope you guys like it.
Look at the flick of that wrist. Look at the flick of that wrist. Look at the flick of that wrist. Look at the flick of that wrist.